Now, before we launch into talking about probability, it's necessary that we have some common language here. So let's get some vocab down first. Now, I want to be able to talk about a trial, and all a trial is a procedure with a well-defined set of possible results. An outcome is the result of a trial. An event, one or more outcomes, and the probability, the likelihood that that actually occurs. That can be kind of abstract like this, so let's look at an example. Let's say I wanted to find out how many years someone has attended Loyola. Now, my trial would be asking someone this. So, trial would be asking someone, how many years have you been at Loyola? The outcomes would be, they could say, well, I've been here no years. I might have been here 1 year. May have been here 2, 3, 4. Maybe someone's actually been here 5 years. So these would be our possible outcomes. That is the possible results people give us. Now, if I put little braces around this here, it's a list of all possible outcomes, and this is what we call a sample space. So sample space is a list of all the different possible outcomes. Now, when we talk about an event, we're talking about one or more possible outcomes. So, for instance, in this case, one possible event might be someone has been here under 2 years. We call this an event because it includes, once again, one or more possible outcomes. If I say you've been here under 2 years, that could mean you've been here 0 years, or maybe you've been here 1 year. Now, the probability would be the likelihood that this happens. So, for instance, if I want to look at the probability, someone has been here 1 year. Or I could look at been here under 2 years. So once again, this would just measure the likelihood that this would actually happen. Now, when we look at the probability of something, we have some nice notation for it. And so in general, if I want to write the probability of something, I would write that the probability of A for whatever event A is. So for instance, if I want to find the probability someone has been here 1 year, I would write the probability of 1 year.